Oh my gosh, it really baffles me how 2024 was pretty much the worst year of my life. And also I feel like so many things went wrong with 2024. I was honestly hoping at the beginning of 2024 I was going to achieve a lot, but I just ended up achieving basically nothing. And I feel so upset about that. And honestly, I have a lot of excuses, right? And I don't want to dwell on that, but I do want to appreciate. Oh, dude, I can't even appreciate anything about 2024 except for the fact that I managed to still stay in South Korea, which is great. But I feel like most of all, it was just such a bad year. And if I could do anything, I would go back in time. But you cannot go back in time, unfortunately. But that's why I wanted to make this video, because I know I'm not the only one who had like a very, very bad year. And it's just a good way for me to just look at how 2025 is going to go, because I feel like this is the year, right? This is the year. We can do this. We can literally do this. All we have to do is just think about it first before we do it this time. Breathe and then take the first step. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with this. Like, please don't vote for me ever, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just TikTok the whole thing. I'll just like Google search how to run the country. Please don't vote for me. I think that 2024 was horrible. It was horrible, because I feel like, for me personally, like a lot of bad things just started happening from July personally, and then it kind of like got to a point where I was starting to feel very bad. Very, very bad. And because I lost someone, I think it was also like the biggest tanking for everything else, because of that. Because of losing someone, everything else that I did was just horrible, because there will always be like that kind of like sadness at the back of my head, just looming over me, right? So ever since that happened, I kind of like let go of everything. And then it was only the other day, like I went maybe like 2 weeks ago, I went to the hospital for a checkup, because in South Korea you always have to do a yearly checkup. Like everyone is required to do a yearly checkup. It doesn't matter who you are. Okay, you have to do the yearly checkup. If it wasn't for this yearly checkup, I wouldn't have known the things I know now. Okay, so you have to. Because normally, like in South Africa, I didn't do yearly checkups. Like, what is that? Okay, I didn't do any yearly checkups, right? But here you do. You have to. And I found out that there are a lot of issues, and I was told that if I don't like address these issues, I'm gonna have even bigger issues. Okay, so then that had me like thinking like, wow, dude, like what are you doing? Like, why are we not? I always feel like when people come to South Korea, like based on what I've seen on social media, when I was still researching about this country, I would see like people having their best lives, but like the glow up that they would have was insane. Like their skincare, their makeup, the clothes, the like materialistic things, holidays, like these people would be popping off, dude. And that also made me want to come to the country even more, because I just genuinely thought when I got here I would just like literally increase, like literally like this, I would glow up. And it was like that for the first couple of months, because you're kind of like in this like honeymoon phase where you're like, everything is so perfect, I finally made it and it's great, it's going great, it's going great. But then like issues just happen, and that kind of like dulls the experience. And of course, obviously, like if you're going to a foreign country, you cannot expect everything to be 100% perfect, right? But then I was just like, wow, I can't believe this. And then 2024 happened. Like everything was just like going so wrong, dude. And it wasn't only me personally, but like in the world, like so many people were leaving the earth. You know what I mean? When people leave the earth, like the D word, when people pass away, I'm kind of have to be careful because of the YouTube people will be like, you can't say things like that. But like so many people were leaving, so then or passed away. A lot of people have passed away, so that made me think like because so many things happened like that, and my health scare from like the doctors, I was just like, oh my gosh, no, what am I doing? I'm literally in like such a great country and I'm not taking advantage of the resources that are available to me, because it's so simple. Like it's literally super simple. Yes, I have to put in a lot of hard work, right? But like it's super simple. If you do XYZ, you will get very, very good results, which is why I wanted to talk about this today and kind of like start a 100-day challenge for myself. And I mean, you can join me if you want. Like, I'm not really like forcing you, but like if you really want to like also start the year off correctly by doing challenges, like this is a full challenge. Like I want to do it for 100 days, see the results, and then like adjust it, and then do it for 100 days again. Like keep doing it until we reach 360. So because of all of those negative things that happened last year, I really want to have a better year. I want to learn different things. I want to improve on my makeup. That's why I'm doing this video with like, this is the latest makeup look I did, right? And it looks really, really good. But the lashes, I think I need a bit of glue. At this point, I'm ready. I will use Gorilla Glue. Don't tempt me right now. I will use Gorilla Glue. I will. Don't tempt me, because I'm so sick of these glues that are not gluing. Okay, but I personally, I know it's my fault. Like I'm the one who's not doing it properly, but that's not even the point of this video. Okay, what I want to say is that I want to do this challenge, okay, because this has to be like a drastic lifestyle change, because I don't want to do a challenge and then I forget about it. Like I want to stay committed to it so that it's like a lifelong thing, because the things that you do now are literally gonna what you're gonna have for the rest of your life. It literally affects you so badly. Like I hear a lot of older people that say like whatever you do now is gonna affect you later on, and it's like so true. So that's why I thought that it would be quite interesting to just try this and see how I can improve myself. And I also wonder like how can I improve myself in terms of like education. I know like my family back home, or like people from back home, may be like, yeah, you like Korea, I'm pretty sure you know Korean by now. Yeah. And I'm just like, hello, how are you? Like, I don't know Korean. I've been here for a year and a couple of months, but I don't know Korean. I can read. Okay, I can read. Like, let me see if I can read this. So this is the 3CE Style Nanda, and this is like my favorite, one of my top favorite lip glosses from South Korea. Okay, made in South Korea. I love 3CE. 3CE is like, it's so good. Okay, it's so good. Like, look at this. And it's super soft too. That's like one of the favorite things. I love the stick. The only thing is that I feel like it's a scam because there's not enough in here. There's never enough. I want to come. Please close. Okay, well, I already had gloss on my lips before. Okay, you know what? I can't do this right now. I just can't. I can't do this right now. But like, okay, let me read it. I'm being serious, right? I want to read. So, it says Siri Shi Sion La Pulento. Whatever. But my point is, I want to improve. Okay, I have to get back into learning Korean because I did start. Okay, I did start like maybe before everything went to the dogs last year. I started, dude. I was going to the gym. I was eating right. My skincare was great. But then because of what happened in July, I literally gave everything to the dogs because the dogs took it. Okay, it was the dog's fault. And because of that, like, I didn't realize how bad it was until I went for my checkup. Like, every wrong thing that I was doing, like neglecting my own health because of something that was very bad that happened. So that's why I'm just here to say, like, if bad things happen, you have to deal with them. And I'm saying it to myself, not to you. Like, whenever bad things happen, I have to deal with them appropriately and not take it out on my health because it's gonna be bad and it's just gonna make things harder for me in the future. So that's like what I really wanted to talk about. And also, how do you find a way to cope whenever you go through bad things? Let's improve together. And 2025 is going to be a really good year, okay? Because this is the year where I want to improve on all parts, like education. I'm gonna study something else. I want another certification, okay? Because I want to be my best. Oh, my friend was actually saying how she really wants to be an over-educated B-word. And I think that is so boss. Okay, like, if you want to be an over-educated B-word, then you must be an over-educated B-word and be happy about it and maintain your health. So that is the goal of 2025. And my true dream in life is to be sitting on a huge pile of cash. And I'm smart for this because all of you just want me to be posting contents about my Korean boyfriend. I don't have time for that. I don't have time for boys. I only have time to make money. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to share your social media. Okay, tell me if you love anime, if you love makeup or whatever you love to do, or share all of that in the comments below so that I can shout out your channel in the next video. And also let me know what you think of this makeup. I will post another video where I have this makeup look on because I really like it. Like, it was very fun to make. But let me know what other makeup style I should try do, or even if it's a cosplay. Let me know if you like cosplay. And have a very good rest of your day. Make sure you drink some water, and until then, just chill till the next episode. Bye bye.